Hello guys, my name is and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you total two websites where we can create a very high quality do follow profile backlink, and also you can create a multiple another backlinks on the same website. So the first website name is ProvenExpert .com. So this is a website, a dashboard. So you can see there I created my backlink for my another brand, Jobma. So you can see the details there. You can add the information about the office and your all other contact details, websites. You can add multiple pages in this listings. So now we're going to start. First thing, I can show you this website authority. So according to Acharya, this website domain authority is domain rating is 91 and the domain authority is 67 and the spam score is only 1%. And so now we're going to start. First thing, you guys will click on the home button. There you can click the get started. Here you can put your email address. Then after you can click on the sign up now. So this site will send you the activation link over your Gmail, so you can open your Gmail box. So I received, click on this, click on the confirm my email, and you see if you're wanting, so you can select the solutions things. Either there you can put your name only, your brand first name and your brand last name. There you can add your password. After you can click on the next button. Here you can type your profile name. After click on the next button. So from there you can select your industry. So we are providing consulting, digital marketing. Okay. Then after you can click on the get started. Yeah. So in the contact person, there you can type the person name, either the company name. Here you can type your location address. Once you guys will complete these things there I have added my all details like the address, brand name, and here in the email address section there you can add your active email address, which email you using for the marketing or any kind of. Okay, then after click on the next step. Okay, so here you can add your services, like what kind of services you are providing. So suppose let me open my website, DML training. So if you guys have your multiple services, so you can list your services. Content marketing, so let me add the first is content marketing. Then after let me add the another services. So the app development. So these are the my services. So according to your services you can add your all details here. Search engine optimization, it will be, they will give you the 80 characters limit. So between 80 characters you can add your all services here, and there you can add your business description. So the business description caption character limit is 1000 character, so you can adjust your descriptions accordingly. And if you have any offers, or if you're wanting to display any offer messages in your profile, so here you can type the message. So you can also select the your similar industry, like digital product. Okay, so here we can upload a profile picture. So you guys will upload your profile picture, your company logo. Then after click on the next step. So if you have any review websites, if your brand listed on any review website, so you can put your review website URL. Let me show you how you guys will do these things. So this is DML training, and I can show you. So suppose if I listed anywhere, and if that would be the review website, so DML Institute Training Institute Nevada, this is industrial CC. This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription.
to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co.
email earning videos. So I don't think so they will accept this URL. Yeah, they accepted. Okay, no problem. So you can add the websites where if your website are listed on the review platform, so you can put the platform's URL here. Like I can show you how I did, how you guys will do these things. So suppose you can search your brand name. So you can see this is a Glassdoor, and another platform is Capterra. PC Recruiter, they are the review site. So you can open this profile, open this website, and you can see, you can copy the URL and you can paste here, so that how they will fetch the reviews for your brand. Okay, so here you guys will put your website name and the URL. So first I can gonna do a DML training, and here you can put your website URL. Okay, so click on the add websites. So following the same process, you can add your multiple pages here. So profile creation sites list. So there you can type the page name, then you can put the page URL. So you can follow the same process to create some backlinks for your important pages. According to my suggestion, you can create around maximum 4 to 5 list in this section, so that could be easily display for the users and also looks unnatural. Okay, so social bookmarking. So I can want to add some platforms here, some pages here only, social bookmarking sites. Okay, so once you guys will complete these things, also I'm going to add a blog, DML blog, DML training blogs, and here you can add a social medias, so social media accounts. So let me open this. So you can only paste the URLs here only. Okay, so once you guys will complete these things, then after you can click on the save and get started. So you can see our profile is successfully created, and if I can show you how you can see your profile, so simply you can click on this and click on this here. So this is your profile, and you can see this is your profile logo or anything. So first thing what you can go on to do to make your profile that could be going to visible for public. So you can see here is a publish profile, so you can click on this, so you can make it your profile viewable for the users. And this is your profile landing page URL. And if I can show you in incognito, so this is instant approved backlink or not. So you can see this is instant approved backlink. This is your description and your all details. These are your pages, and these are your social media accounts, and these are your contact details. So suppose if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you can see this is 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. And yeah, so overall this is the process to how you can create backlink in this website. And let's explore the if this website have any another feature. So click on the settings, so you can explore all the settings. Let me go back to the dashboard. So there is an option to you can get reviews, are the newest reviews, so you can track your all the details here. So what kind of awards you having and what kind of profile, so see your profile, so you can create a multiple profile in this website. So overall this is the website to manage your profile and the visibility and the data according to the interaction and the user interaction on your website, on your profiles and not the website. Okay, so overall this is the process to how you can create backlink in this website, and I can show you the another website. So where how we can gonna to create backlinks. Okay, so the next website name is forum.codazenter.com. so this is a website URL, and I can also provide all the websites URL in the description section, so where you guys will navigate easily. Okay, so you can see there I created a backlink for the job ma, and these are the details. So this is profile details like the location, bio, and other details are the missing. And if I can show you, this is a no follow, a do follow backlink. So you can see this is a do follow backlink, and also you can create your contextual do follow backlink here. So like on this keyword video interview software, I created a backlink. So definitely you can consider this site for your backlinking. Let me show you first this website authority. So according to Acharya, this website domain rating is 83. This is a very good. And according to Moj, this website domain authority is 62 and the spam score is only 2%. So okay, perfect. So now we can start. First thing, you guys will open this website, click on the register button. You can acknowledge the terms and condition. Only you can click on this button. There you can type your username and your password. There you can put your email address. You can confirm your email address. Then after this will ask you the one security question. So what programming languages is coordinator use written in? So okay, you can copy this question and you can go back to the chat GPT, paste this question, it will be give you the answer. So PHP framework, PHP. So okay, let me try PHP. Then after you can click on the submit a registration. So you can see our account is successfully created. The site will send you the activation email over your Gmail. So you can open your Gmail box. So I received, click on this, click on the first a link to activate your profile. So you can see our profile is created. Now you can click on the your username drop down, and you can see there is a edit profile option. You can click on this. From here you can type your location, where do you living. So I'm living in India, Delhi. And here you can add some profile description about your brand. Okay, so if you wanting to provide the details of your sex, so you can always information, any reason, I'm here, return date, date of birth, your website URL. So here you can put your website URL, and the new customer user, a title, I don't know what is this, but just there again, well, my brand name. Okay, once you guys will complete these things, then after you can click on the update profile, and our profile is updated. Now you can scroll something and you see there is a change avatar button. You can click on this. From there you can upload your profile picture, but it should be in a 20 into 200 into 200 pixel size. So you can make sure your dimension should be the one by one. So there you can click on the upload button. From there we can select the picture, click on the save avatar, change avatar. So it is not doable. So you can try to upload the image. The ratio should be 200 into 200. Okay, so once you guys will complete these things, then after what you can do one another change, you can click on the change signature. There you can type your brand name, DML training, and after you can type your main targeted keyword. So like a best digital marketing training, and you can hyperlink your keyword. Control key, so sorry, control key is not going to be work. So you can select your keyword and you see there is a hyperlink button. You can click on this. There you can put your website URL, click on the insert, and after you can click on the update signature, and from there you can enable your signature for your all existing posts. Update signature, so signature is updated. Now if I can show you the user panel, so click on this, and if I can click here, so this is your profile landing page. And if I can show you in incognito, so you can see this is instant approved backlink. This is your website URL. And if I can show you, this is a no follow, a do follow backlink. So you can see this is a do follow backlink. And also I can show you this contextual backlink is do follow or not. So it is also the do follow backlink. Okay, and your another details like your profile bio. Okay, so how you can create your forum backlink in this website? So simply you can click on the home button. Either you can also click on the forum button. It's up to you. And from there you can see there is an option. So new post is not published. So let me check. You can go to the forum section, and you can select any sections like issues. Okay, go. Let's enter to the issues section, and you see there is a new topic button. You can click on this, and from there you can type your threads a subject. So like, let me open the first website. No, sorry, I can going to create the backlink for my blocks. So what is a keyword cannibalization issue, and here you can add some descriptions. Okay, and if you're wanting to hyperlink any your keyword, so you can select your keyword and you can copy your page URL, and there is a hyperlink button. You can make it hyperlink. And once you guys will complete these things, so then after you can click on the post a thread. So you can see your thread is posted. You can click on the return to the forum, and you see your thread is here. If I can click on this, so you can see this is your thread landing page URL. So this post, you can, if I can click on this, so you can see your hyperlink keyword, and your signature is also the displayed here. So overall, this is the process to how you can create your profile backlink and the forum backlink in this website. So overall, this is the process to how you can create backlinks on these websites. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, or your friends, so then you guys will share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details in the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will help me something. So okay, bye bye and take care.